I want to know, how do you define harassment towards women?
I think just people being around you, people constantly trying to talk to you and trying to touch you sometimes with.
People trying to talk to you, people being around you counts to harassment?
Yeah, if they don't leave you alone when they can see that you don't want to talk to them, they keep coming up to you, keep like tapping you and trying to.
It's someone trying to take away your rights from you. Someone not giving you the basic right that women are deserving of. Yeah.
Harassing can be different types. It can be mental harassment, it can be physical harassment, it can be a lot of things.
If somebody's really badgering you all the time, making remarks at you, how you're dressed or what you do, and also if they are physically try to get close to you and you don't like it.
I think harassing women is first of all doing anything to them that they don't want you to do without their permission.
If a guy comes to you, touches you in the wrong places, so that's harassment.
I think it's basically men trying to trouble innocent women or women who are not interested.
What do you mean by innocent woman?
Like anybody walking on the street, why would you just pass a comment or try to follow them or harass them? Don't do that.
Harassment is when a man actually makes a woman uncomfortable by his comments or by his actions, by his looks.
There's actually no definition for harassment for us. It depends from person to person.
We are having a fight, we both are strangers, right? And I call you, you call me names, you abuse me, you call me a bastard, you call me an asshole, I call you a bitch. So what does that amount to? Will you go to the cops or to your friends and say that I've harassed you?
I've abused you back. I think that's not harassment because I'm standing up for myself. If you're not given the equal chance to argue back.
So who is stopping you from having that equal chance? Like suppose you and me are having a fight right now. Who will stop you from abusing me?
No one is stopping me. As long as I'm getting a chance to.
Sorry?
The hypocrisy which the society shows towards you.
So you are trying to say if you're having a fight here right now, the society is going to come and stop you.
I'll tell you one thing. If I slap you, 1 point, कैसा आदमी है औरत से मार खाता है. Second, I slap you, you slap me, कैसा आदमी है औरत पे हाथ उठाता है. So that is the difference will come out.
So either this way or that way, it's a very subjective thing. Do you think?
We have hypocrisy in our blood. Anything, even a normal stare would amount to harassment.
So this, what I just said, it's an harassment for you?
Of course it would be.
So it's a
harassment only if it's something that would if I'm not doing anything to you and suddenly if you just lower at me or something happens and I abuse you and then you come back with more galis and everything. So that's when it starts.
Yes, it's a heated argument in the moment of heat. That's about it. It's not harassment. That I wouldn't say harassment. If the woman started it also and you carried on with it.
If the girl's giving you a tough fight, not really. But I guess if it gets out of control, sometimes I guess boys need to learn to let go. Because girls end up screaming, shouting. I don't know. I mean, it's two sides of the same coin, I feel. You can't say something that you don't want to hear back.
Okay.
I mean, I wouldn't yell and swear at someone and then expect them not to swear back.
No, that's not harassment. That's a fight that you and me had. You're not harassing me.
I was just crossing a road. Okay, and this guy literally comes and he's like literally banging me with his car. So that is also an harassment, right?
So you think the guy actually wanted to kill you with his car?
He didn't stop. I had my 4 sisters crossing with me. He didn't stop the car.
He wanted to crush you.
He literally came, he made the car stop right like at my leg.
So that is harassing for you? That is harassment?
That's kind of physical damage too, right?
But it could be some problem with the car also, no?
Not at all. He didn't even have the decency to say sorry after that.
If it's mutual, then it's not harassment.
So where do you draw the line? I want to know, where do you draw the line between argument and harassment? Like anything, any kind of conflict is turning into an harassment. How do you define that?
I'm not really sure, but then it depends. It depends on how you perceive it. Harassment is when probably I am not doing anything and you are... See, I do not have to respond to whatever you're doing. So I can probably call that harassment. I'm not really sure though.
So please tell people that where do they draw the line?
I don't know. It's really hard to say. I guess it really depends on what the problem is or what's happening. I really don't know where I would draw the line.
I think harassment is a really strong term to apply to someone. So only if you genuinely are harassed, talk about it or let the people know about it, so the person who does it gets punished for it. But otherwise, don't. If you can stand up for yourself and give it back to that guy, then why get him to trouble and get limelight for no rhyme or reason?
Don't act like as if you're being attacked, you're being treated as you're the target. Exactly, you're being victimized. फायदा मत उठाओ, मतलब इस सिचुएशन का फायदा मत उठाओ. फायदा उठाने का कोई फायदा नहीं है actually.
Women, who take the advantage of it, the women who really suffer, don't get that equal right to prove themselves. So don't just, you should understand what the intensity of the word harassment. So don't go about it just so lightly.
I think that if you are actually being harassed, then you really need to come forward and say something about it. But if it's both two-sided and it's just because you'll get away with it, then I really don't think that you should blame someone who doesn't really deserve it.
Treat the line carefully between verbal abuse and harassment, and take the right action whenever you feel that you are harassed in the right sense of the term.
And not misuse the authority or the advantage that we have in today's date or in Bombay or wherever it is, that because there are other women over there suffering from those beasts, so that doesn't mean you misuse their advantage over here and beat up all the other men who are not, because those men can turn out to be beasts later on if you if you keep pushing it. If you tell them, then you'll be like, okay, fine, women are bitches. Now we're going to show them what actually harassment means, and that would actually happen sometimes.
The message is just that each woman has to use their good sense and don't take advantage of this concept that is going on right now. Please be honest with yourself whether it is actually an harassment or are you creating it.
To subscribe, press here. And to follow us on Twitter, the WT of India is what you need to follow. Okay guys, so we have tried to cover everything possible regarding harassment and argument. If you think we have missed out on any points, please do comment in the comment section and let us know about it. And please do continue your stupid, silly fights in the comment section also. And be responsible, have an opinion about this issue, and please raise your voice if you find it needs to be risen. Thank you.